Let's see how I assemble the Aveo bike. These are the parts you have at your disposal. The main assembly components, the wheel frame, the pedals, one handlebar for the child and one for the parent, and the additional ones, cover, baskets, roof, screws and tools. Let's start with the rear wheels. Simply slide them into the frame until you hear a click. Now mount the mudguard to the fork with the notch facing forward. Screw it on with the supplied screw. The screwdriver included in the set will come in handy. Now the front wheel. Slide the parts of the front axle together. Slide the wheel into the fork, and then tighten the front fork fastening screws. The included wrench will now come in handy. Do this on both sides of the wheel. Remove the screw from the top of the fork. Then insert it into the opening of the frame. Press hard. Now fit the basket on the front of the frame. These two tabs at the bottom must enter the holes accurately. Fit and press. Now put the cover on the handlebar. The handlebar is then inserted into the frame. Tighten it with a fastening screw and a wrench. Tighten the bell too. The next step is the installation of the link. Take off the cap on one side and insert the link into the hole on the left side of the fork. This way it is bent to the right level. The other end is hooked under the frame so that it enters one of the two holes here. And now tighten. Time to install the rear basket. Tighten it to the frame using the fastening screw. Another element, the seat. Place the seat cap on the frame. Slide the seat down and tighten the cap on the underside. Time to mount the backrest. At the back of the seat there are holes into which you must insert the backrest and press the locks. Then insert the armrests into the holes. Put the cover on the seat. Start with the armrests. Pull the material onto the back of the seat. Then move forward. Now the important thing is to fit the safety belts. Slide the ends of the belts into the holes in the cover and drag them from the back. Check their tensioning. What's left is to place the stepping lock material on the front of the armrests. And this is where you place the parent's handlebar with adjustable height. Attach the basket for a cup and a bag to the handle. One last thing, the roof. Slide it into the holes on the sides of the backrest and fold it out. Aveo is now ready for the road, but first to go through a few functions. The child can also be transported backwards to the travelling direction. To rotate the seat, loosen the knob underneath. Then turn the seat and tighten the knob. All done. At the beginning, when the child only sits on the bicycle and the feet are held on the footrests, fold the footrests out and disconnect the pedals with the red element on the front wheel. This is important for your child's safety. This allows the pedals to operate independently of the wheel while the bike is moving. To store your bike in your car, for example, you can fold it. First pull out the whole backrest with the roof, then remove the parent's handle and press the red button underneath. Hide the wheels. When your child grows up a bit, you can turn your bike into a more adult bike. For this purpose, remove the cover from the seat. Then pull out the roof and the backrest. Now the rails, simply pull them upwards. Pull out the parent's handle. Fold the footrests and connect the pedals. That's about all you need to know about the Aveo bike. However, it will surely surprise you more than once during use.